Imagine a world where goods move only as fast as a horse can run. No railways, no bullet trains, no subways, just mud roads, wooden wagons, and exhausted animals. Now imagine that one day, a machine begins to move, not pulled by horses, but powered by steam. February 21, 1804. In South Wales, a loud, smoking iron machine slowly begins to roll forward. It wasn't elegant, it wasn't fast, but it was unstoppable. This was the birth of the steam locomotive. And it changed the world forever. The man behind this invention was Richard Trevithick, a bold and stubborn engineer from Cornwall, England. At the time, steam engines already existed, but they were massive, stationary machines, used to pump water out of mines. Trevithick had a radical idea. What if steam engines could move? What if they could ride on rails? Most engineers thought it was impossible. Steam pressure was dangerous. Boilers exploded, iron cracked. But Trevithick believed in high-pressure steam, more powerful, more compact, and mobile. It was risky, but it worked. On February 21, 1804, in Penydarren, South Wales, Trevithick's locomotive made its first public run. It hauled 10 tons of iron, 5 wagons, and around 70 men, over a distance of about 15 kilometers. The speed? Roughly 8 kilometers per hour. Not impressive today, but at that moment, it proved something revolutionary. Machines could replace horses. For the first time in history, a steam-powered vehicle carried heavy loads on rails. The Industrial Revolution had just shifted gears. But here's the twist. Trevithick's locomotive damaged the rails. They weren't strong enough. Cast iron cracked under the weight. The idea was brilliant, but infrastructure wasn't ready. For years, steam locomotives remained experimental. It wasn't until engineers like George Stephenson improved rail design and locomotive systems that railways truly spread across Britain. Still, Trevithick had done something irreversible. He proved it was possible. Within decades, railways connected cities. Factories expanded. Trade accelerated. Time itself became standardized because of train schedules. Empires were built along railway lines. And eventually, modern transportation was born. From that smoky machine in 1804, came the foundation of global logistics, subways, and even high-speed trains, all because one engineer dared to ask, what if steam could move? It wasn't the fastest machine. It wasn't the prettiest. But on February 21, 1804, humanity stopped depending solely on muscle power. That day, movement became mechanical, and the world has been moving faster ever since.